Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Green Beauty Chemist, where magic happens when science meets with nature. Today, we have something truly special for you, a DIY project that's all about bringing calm and relaxation into your life. We're making a lavender pillow spray, the perfect natural aid to help you unwind anytime you need a touch of tranquility. Before we go into crafting this serene blend, make sure you are part of our community by hitting that subscribe button. Join us for more wonderful natural DIY beauty and wellness recipe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss a thing. Now let's get into the heart of today's calm, our lavender pillow spray. Lavender is not just a beautiful scent, it's known for its ability to soothe, relax, making it an essential part of our relaxation toolkit. And guess what? It's incredibly simple to make this pillow spray, which promises to be your new relaxation companion. Here's what you need for your very own calming concoction. Distilled water 94.9 gram, acting as our pure refreshing base. Lavender essential oil 2 gram for that beautifully serene scent that calms the mind. Solubilizer polysorbate 20 or similar 2 gram to seamlessly mix oil with water. Sodium gluconate 0.1 gram to keep our blend effective and well preserved. UXAP 9010 1 gram, ensuring our spray remains fresh and inviting. Creating your pillow spray is as simple as using it. Begin with distilled water, dissolving the sodium gluconate into it. This initial step ensures our spray remains stable and effective over time. Next, take the lavender essential oil and blend it thoroughly with the solubilizer. This key step makes sure the oil integrates perfectly into the water, ensuring every spray is infused with the calming essential essence of lavender. Gently mix your aromatic oil blend into the water, stirring softly as you envision the calm it will bring into your evenings. Add the UXLP 9010 as your preservative, a guardian to ensure longevity and safety. Finally, pour your crafted blend into a lovely spray bottle, making it a delightful addition to your relaxation routine. Imagine this: whenever you need a moment of peace, a few spritzes of your handmade lavender pillow spray will envelop you into a cloud of calm, making relaxation just a spray away. If you are eager to start mixing and creating, check the description box below for the links to all the ingredients and for top quality cosmetic ingredients that you can trust. pureblendnaturals.com is where you will find everything you need with fast shipping within Canada and the USA. Thanks for spending part of your day here with us. It's always a pleasure to share these treasures with you. Remember to subscribe to Green Beauty Chemist for more natural, easy to follow DIY that add a sprinkle of tranquility to your life. Until our next creative journey, keep embracing the calm, stay inspired, and cherish every moment of peace you create. See you next time.